if you had $300 and you were 18 years old, again, let's say in Chicago, or let's say Las Vegas, so you're not licensed, what would you do to become the next Ed Hayes with only $300?
Whew, that's a really good question. I like that. I like that question. So, man, to be honest with you, man, I would bootstrap this thing, man. Honestly, I would probably be doing a lot of very similar things to what I'm doing right now. That's a good question. Let me break it down because I'm about to drop some gems on y'all. I think like if y'all literally get out here, y'all can start this today, what I'm about to drop right here. For real. First off, one of the things that I would start to do is that I would, if I don't have the money, right, to actually buy these houses, me personally, first thing I'm going to go do is get the money. I'm going to go find buyers that actually can purchase these houses so I can have quick, smooth transactions. Granted, I'm not going to lie, though. That being said, at the same time, if there was ever a time in like the history to just like get out there and just kind of get some inventory, it probably would be now. I'm not going to lie, just because everyone wants it. It's just it's like a super shortage of inventory right now. But anyway, I would go out there. I would establish some relationships with some active cash buyers in the area that I'm starting off with in Las Vegas, right? Have some conversations, build up that database of cash buyers. I would be looking for somewhere around 100 to 250 cash buyers. Simultaneously, while I'm reaching out to these cash buyers on a daily basis, I would be hopping on places like Facebook Marketplace, Facebook groups, and Craigslist every single day looking for other individuals who are already posting deals online. Then from there, like, so I would pretty much be giving them the opportunity to say yes. I'd be like, hey, look, I got some buyers. Hey, you down to date to JV? I would be trying to scoop up as many of those low-hanging fruit type opportunities as possible, analyze those if possible. If it makes sense, shoot it out to those buyers. From there, I would go ahead and pull me a list. I would grab PropStream. So I would start spending some money. I would go ahead and grab PropStream. I would go ahead and grab REI Reply. $300. I would definitely grab PropStream. I may or may not grab REI Reply just because. Yeah, no, I probably would. I mean, to be honest, like it's one of the quickest ways to the bag, and it is one of the cheapest ways to the bank as well. And you can reach out to a lot more people with texting that you can do with other services or whatever. So if I grab PropStream, it would be cheaper to do texting versus cold calling. So I probably would go REI Reply. And then, so yeah, I would need some skip tracing as well. I would probably have to skip trace these leads manually. Either that or find like a nice little VA from like a Fiverr.com that can do it for the super, super low for you. That's got like thousands of reviews. Don't only go with people that's got thousands of reviews. And then, so yeah, I would get some text message. I would probably pull like 4,000 or 5,000 leads, depending on, like how many leads I can get skip traced for how much money. I would use REI Reply, get those skip trades, start texting those individuals, and just have some conversations. And I guarantee it, I feel ultra confident that before I know it, I will flip that first opportunity into $5,000, $10,000. From there, I will start doubling down on marketing. I would hire some VAs. Like depending on how big that first deal is, if it's like 20 grand, I mess around and put a billboard up in Chicago or get some bench advertising or do train or radio or TV advertising. Just go all the way to the top right at the bat. That's what I would probably do. That's what we want to ultimately be. We want to be scaling up. We want to be moving it up over time or whatever. But yeah, I hope that helps or whatever. I would start off with like some quick JV opportunities, and then I would start texting myself. Between those two situations, I would try to get my first deal, double down with that deal to hire on some staff, pull more leads, text more people, and probably start cold calling individuals as well. Bang.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.